Micro steps to wealth with cryptocurrency. The magic strategy that transforms money. The magic strategy is earning interest. Earning interest? How can such a small thing make that kind of magic difference, you might ask? Earning interest and putting that interest to work to earn more interest can have a dramatic effect on the success of our simple $20 per week savings plan. Let's imagine that instead of folding up that $20 bill and placing it with the others in your box, instead you put that $20 to work on your behalf. If this money was invested and grown at a rate of just 10% per year, instead of the $40,000 you saved, you would have a total of $482,000. If that money was invested and grown at a rate of 12% per year, you would have $840,000. And if you were able to invest that money for 14% per year, compounded monthly, you would have $1,490,000. And all you ever needed to assure a comfortable retirement with more than $1 million in the bank is just to know and believe in the life-changing power of this little $20 per week plan, along with the magic of compound interest. Anyone can do this, but why is it that less than 20% of our population ends up retiring wealthy? You may point out that the bank's interest rates are less than 3% per year in the very best savings accounts these days, and many savings accounts do not provide any interest at all. Well, later on, I'm going to show you a way that you can start with a micro investment and start earning interest with zero risk, and you can compound your earnings every 2 days rather than monthly. Now, these interest rates are variable, but for some occasions, the rates can spike to as much as 5% per day. Now, I'm getting ahead of myself. We are going to get to that Bitcoin earning information right away, and then I'm going to show you how to start earning interest on your micro investments. But before we do, I want to reflect for a moment on your current habits with money. In the next lesson, we'll go over the 3 categories of people and their money.